Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo. The latest flagship action camera from DJI that promises professional-level features in a compact package. Whether you're a vlogger, an adventurer, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments in stunning detail, the Osmo Action 6 is designed to deliver. The camera is built around an all-new 1/1.1-inch square CMOS sensor, which allows for vibrant colors and crisp detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Paired with a variable aperture that ranges from f2.0 to f4.0, this camera adapts seamlessly from bright daylight to low-light environments, giving you clear, high-quality footage wherever you go. It supports video capture up to 8K, letting you capture every scene with incredible clarity and providing plenty of room for cropping or digital zoom during post-production. One of the standout features of the Osmo Action 6 is its durability. It's built cold-resistant and can operate in a range of harsh environments, while its waterproof design lets you dive up to 20 meters without a case, and up to 60 meters with one. Whether you're surfing, snorkeling, or filming in the rain, the Action 6 keeps rolling. For longer adventures, it comes with a battery that lasts up to 4 hours and even supports fast charging, so downtime is minimal. DJI has also focused on usability and convenience. The camera offers hands-free operation with gesture and voice controls, making it effortless to start recording or switch modes without touching the device. Built-in storage of 50 GB ensures you can keep filming without constantly swapping memory cards. For content creators looking for professional-grade audio, the camera connects to 2 DJI microphone transmitters for high-quality dual audio capture, perfect for interviews or outdoor sound recording. The Essential Combo is compact yet versatile, including the Osmo Action 6, an Osmo Action Extreme Battery Plus, a dual-direction quick-release adapter mount, a locking screw, and a USB Circa PD cable. This setup makes it ready for action out of the box, whether you're vlogging, shooting sports, or capturing underwater adventures. Compared to the standard and enhanced combos, the Essential Combo offers a balance of portability and functionality without extra bulk. For creators who want to explore different angles, DJI offers optional accessories, like the 1.5-meter extension rod, which allows for selfies, over-the-head shots, and dynamic perspectives with ease. Combined with the Action 6's rock-steady stabilization, even handheld footage comes out smooth and professional. This screens on the front and back give you clear previews and framing control, ensuring you never miss a moment. Overall, this Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo delivers a powerful combination of performance, durability, and convenience. From stunning 8K video to robust waterproofing, fast charging, and advanced controls, this camera is designed for anyone looking to capture high-quality footage with minimal hassle. Whether it's daily vlogging, extreme sports, or underwater exploration, the Osmo Action 6 has everything you need to elevate your content. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a versatile, reliable action camera that punches above its weight, the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets. See you in the next video.